I wonder if I throw a flare on top of this mountain, if the plane will crash.
Oh shit!
Ooh, look at all those.
It's like we're being bombed.
Ooh, I wonder if I could jump on one of these planes. Oh, it's loud.
There's a lot of planes.
Are you spawning all those towards you?
No, I'm just spawning airdrops, and apparently this is where they spawn on the map.
It's so fucking loud.
Yeah, it's. We're on the nice and peaceful area. So, Tom, you out of your trap or you need a hand?
No, I'm trying to build some steps up, but it's not letting me. Can you not place steps on top of one another? Do you got? Hang on, yeah, why is it not working? Place some metal steps.
Do that again.
Dude, not yet. Let me get off this fucking mouse. That was really loud. You're supposed to have like 20 planes flying right at me.
So, you've got steps, but it's not letting you place it on top of other ones?
Yeah, hang on. I can see the door. I think I'm sure. Hang on. Oh no.